Okay, here's Fame. In Greek mythology, fiend, or Thama, or Ma, which means mama, is malicious, also known as also.
What did you say? What did you say?
I was talking about the Roman mythology.
Oh.
Fama Rumor was described as having multiple tongues, eyes, ears, and feathers by Virgil in the Aeneid and other authors. She had her feet on the ground and her head in the clouds, making the small seem great. Okay. Like I said, it's always some fucking crazy shit going on, so there you go. Yeah, I'm getting the word out about the legal name fraud. This is the trumpet. It's illegal to use a legal name. Get the word out, everybody. Come on, grow the fuck up. Stop playing this shit. Kid's excuses, he doesn't know how to read or write because no one ever taught him that. They've been using legal names on his ass since birth. He's been blind since birth. You get it? And so same with you. You're in the same boat. Can you read? Well, then what's stopping you? It's really pathetic, actually. It's illegal to use a legal name. Have a nice day.